What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video, Piggy Garage. So I bought a air oil separator for the GT350R due to the Shelby's, the GT350 and the newer GTs have a big problem pulling air in or oil in with the air. So pretty much what I found out, or what I can help you guys with, is there's a driver side and a passenger side air oil separator that you can put on these cars. If you're not tracking the car, you actually don't need the driver side air oil separator. You actually have to drive the heck out of the car in order for it to pull oil on the driver's side. So you really just need the passenger side air oil separator. It goes on real quick. It takes about 30 seconds. I bought mine off Amazon. It's just a little kit here. Comes with the tank there, and then two hoses. It's a real quick pop on and off, as I'll show you guys, but it actually does pull quite a significant amount of oil. Probably fill up the whole cup within like a couple drives is what I'm hearing. But for $160, it's a pretty good investment, and I'm gonna go ahead and install it on the engine. So guys, you take this little clip off. It's a little tab. You literally just pull off there, and then there's another tab up here. If you can get your finger in there. Oh man. One-handed bandit. Alright, I'm gonna drop the camera and I'm gonna get that piece off. But you pretty much just do the tab. Oh, you have to pop this thing off right here. Come on, bitch. Ah, there we go. Alright, so this guy goes on this one. Alright, like that, snaps into place. And this guy goes on this one, snaps into place there. And this goes here like this. Actually, I should probably put the thing on. Man, these fucking things are pains in the ass to get on. So it goes there and there. So I probably should have done that first. There's like a little tab down here that I have to fit it in. There we go. Push down. And then there's this one right here. Come on out. There it is. For the win. At least it dropped all the way through, right? Oh, there it is. What are the odds of that, dude?
that a push pin?
Yeah.
The pin has to be out before you put it in.
Oh.
And then
There
you
we
push
go.
the pin.
Dude. And then it connects here like this. Oh. And then this one connects here. Come on, baby. There we go. Bam. Just like that, guys. You can see, pain in the fucking ass. But there's the air oil separator on the passenger side. The driver's side air oil separator would be here and here. Like I said, you have to be tracking the car pretty hard to use the driver's side air oil separator. For the passenger, there's just a connection here and here. You take those two little points off. Add this, the oil separator, the reservoir. There's two little push pins that you push down. This little wiring harness kind of just sitting there now. I might just zip tie that down. But there's a point under this one and a point here, and it fits in there nice. And since it's by Ford Performance, you get to keep your factory warranty if you still have it. But yeah, pretty badass. I'll let you guys know later on how this thing does. And if it collects a lot of oil or not. But thanks for watching. As always, subscribe and like, and stay tuned for more shit.